Hello and welcome. My name is Abu, and in this lecture, I will teach you how to structure different types of HTML elements. Based on element structure, there are two types of HTML elements. One is normal HTML element and the other one is empty HTML element. Let's start with normal HTML element. In order to structure a normal HTML element, we need an opening tag, the content to markup, and the closing tag. The opening tag is created by enclosing the element name between the left angle bracket and right angle bracket. The closing tag is created by enclosing the element name between left angle bracket, / and right angle bracket. After we have the opening tag, the content to markup, and the closing tag, the complete normal HTML element is created by enclosing the content between the opening tag and the closing tag. For example, let's try to structure a paragraph element. The element name for a paragraph element is P, so the opening tag is created by enclosing the P between left angle bracket and right angle bracket. The closing tag is created by enclosing the P between left angle bracket, / and right angle bracket. After we have the opening P tag, the content to markup, and the closing P tag, the complete paragraph element is created by enclosing the content between the opening P tag and the closing P tag. Of course, not all HTML elements follow the pattern of an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. There are a few HTML elements consisting of a single tag. That is called an empty element. The empty elements used to insert or embed something in the document. In order to structure an empty element, we need an empty element tag and its attribute. The empty element tag is created by enclosing the element name between left angle bracket and right angle bracket. The empty element uses attributes to specify additional information about the element itself. After we have the empty element tag and its attributes, the complete empty element is created by enclosing the element name followed by its attribute between left angle bracket and right angle bracket. For example, let's try to structure an image element. The element name for an image element is img, so the image element tag is created by enclosing the img between left angle bracket and right angle bracket. The image element uses src attribute to specify the link for image sources and alt attribute to specify the alternative text. After we have the image element tag and its src attribute and alt attribute, the complete image element is created by enclosing the element name img followed by its src attribute and alt attribute between left angle bracket and right angle bracket. Okay, that is how we structure different types of HTML elements. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.